Partly cloudy skies are expected for much of South Africa today, although in the far west it will be cloudy at times as an extensive band of moisture will be moving across the area, bringing scattered thundershowers to parts of the Karoo in particular. Along the east coast, the partly cloudy weather brings warming temperatures for KwaZulu-Natal, while further north, the heavier rainfall has now cleared out of Limpopo, although it's going to remain fairly cloudy today with further showers across the northeast. The South African Weather Service has issued one watch for today. That's for extremely uncomfortable conditions along the eastern coastline as well as the adjacent interior. It's going to be another very humid day across those areas. And the Weather Service has also issued an advisory for Friday, also in KwaZulu-Natal, where there's a likelihood of heavy rainfall across most of that province. Rainfall is expected across much of South Africa today, except along the eastern coastline. Dry weather for Durban and Richards Bay, and it's also going to remain dry over the southwestern corner of the country. Scattered thundershowers, on the other hand, affect much of the Karoo, including most of the interior of the Eastern Cape. Isolated thundershowers for the Free State, the Northwest Province, as well as Gauteng, and there's still up to a 60% chance of rain along the northeastern escarpment. Maximum temperatures peak in the upper 20s and lower 30s this afternoon. It warms up over the far eastern parts of the country, while towards the west, temperatures are actually dropping after an extremely hot day yesterday, but it remains very hot for some places. Taking a closer look at your coastal conditions, where light winds continue along the west coast, 20 kilometers per hour from Lambert's Bay all the way through to Alexander Bay, and fairly light swells as well, coming in with a height of 2 meters. Moderate southerly flow is expected around the peninsula, but fresh at times in False Bay, up to 35 kilometers per hour, and we're expecting only moderate winds for Cape Agulhas coming in from the southeast. Along our south coast, we see the effects of a very weak low-pressure system just off the south coast of the country. Light southwesterlies expected for Plettenberg Bay and Mossel Bay at 15 kilometers per hour, and easterly flow continues for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth. And finally, along the east coast of the country, we're expecting moderate northeasterlies from Richards Bay all the way through to East London. Swell heights remaining with a height of only 1.5 meters, and we're expecting low tide just after 1 o'clock.